guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are in Springfield, Missouri. We are really excited because we are going to the Wonders of Wildlife Museum.
Gonna see some penguins.
Yes, the WOW Museum, but that is put on by Bass Pro, which actually has been opened twice.
Yeah.
In its history. I went the first time back in middle school. Cannot remember a thing. But the second time it is supposed to be spectacular.
Yeah,
so we're really excited.
Bass Pro took it over. And I've never seen penguins before, and that's what I'm really excited about. So.
Yeah, there's a big exhibit with penguins, so we're gonna definitely check that out for him.
But afterwards, we're gonna go over to Bass Pro, and they've got 3 little museums in there. They have they have their history, where they came from and everything, and Jimmy Morris, right? See the guy that owns it and started it. And then we're gonna go to the NASCAR one, and then we will go over to the NRA one, where they've got like movie guns and stuff that were used like by John Wayne and Clint Eastwood. So that's gonna be really neat. And then for lunch, this is the cool thing. Yes. Lunch is a surprise. So you guys need to stick around for it. It's a historical restaurant from around here, and that's all we're gonna tell you. So you need to stick around until near the end of the video, and we'll give a little food review too of it. So anyway, we're gonna head on in here to this museum and have some fun.
Yeah. All right, see you guys later.
So far, this place is pretty awesome. We're not very far into it either. There is a massive aquarium full of fish and everything in the middle. Like as soon as you walk in, like you guys saw it before, but like right over here, like right down there. Yeah, there's a massive one. We'll get you a clip of that here in a minute. And then like we got this boat behind us. Like this place is awesome.
It's
and like
so
even like
amazing.
Yeah, even there's a big blue whale. So, really excited, really ready to see what you guys have for this and what you guys get to see. So, stay tuned. Check this out. They've got little touch screens here for all of the fish that are inside that massive aquarium there. And it has everything in there you can click on and learn about what each type is. So Ash, which one do you want to learn about?
The eel.
The eel. So we're gonna click on the eel. We got a giant moray eel.
9 feet long.
Yeah, and it gives you all the information about it. So that's pretty neat, don't you think?
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah, like it. All right, so right after that giant aquarium, you walk into the Fishing Hall of Fame, and there's Ash. And this place is pretty big. They got a bunch of names on the walls and photos of them. I mean, it is a Hall of Fame, so I assume it'd be like the baseball or football Hall of Fame. Then they've got all the flags represented up here behind me, and some ESPN awards. Like one's the most interesting location, another one is like best blooper. And I cannot keep my mask on my face. I think I'm gonna get a different one in the car.
Because I would like to see the fishing bloopers.
Yeah, that would be, yeah. I have a feeling somebody gets pulled overboard by like a marlin. But you said somebody has a what here?
So they have little boxes of information, little like artifacts, and somebody has a fishing action figure.
That's
it's
crazy.
Insane.
Yeah, we will go show you that here in a minute. But I'm gonna get a clip of showing some of these off, not all of them, but we will definitely get the action figure in there, I promise. So, okay, just like the tank a minute ago, you can click on different names for the Hall of Fame inductees. So here, and then you have it alphabetized, and you can find any name that you want to find, or you can scroll through different names. So like, let's click on this here, and then you just slide and find different names all through here by their names. Ernest Hemingway. Wow, I didn't even know he was a Hall of Famer for fishing. In the Shipwreck Room, we have another massive tank with a place that you can touch some manta rays and stingrays down there. And I think I saw a couple sharks or different types of fish floating around, but they also have another little kiosk or touchpad thing that lets you click and talk on different fish. And like, this one looked neat, so that's why I clicked on it. Pretty interesting thing, you know? And very, very informational and educational place for fish and kids. They want to come and look at it. And this place is huge. The detail in the Shipwreck Room on the pipes and the vents and everything really, really makes you feel like you're underwater on a shipwreck thing. And every so often you hear a little sonar beep going for the aesthetic sounds. I think that's pretty neat. If you're thirsty or want some food or want a little snack or something, they've got options for you. They have different sort of fountain drinks, and here's all the prices. And you've got adult beverages as well, and then here's your snacks. Prices are really, really not that bad. So if you're feeling like having something to drink or need a snack, you have options. Okay, the signage was very, very misleading, and it's very dark in here, but we're down in the bottom of the shipwreck thing now. I'm hoping the penguins are close, so we'll see. But we're gonna pet some stingrays though, so that's gonna be fun. So, aren't you excited about that?
I don't know. I've done it before, and they freak me out a little bit. So.
Okay, so we may not pet stingrays.
I might just put my hand in the water.
She may just put her hand in the water. We'll see. Penguins are next. They're right around the corner. I'm really, really excited about it. Never seen them before. I think Ash is going to get me looking at them. So this should be really, really fun to see. And I'm very, very, very excited. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the NASCAR and the Bass Pro History Museum. Unfortunately, you're not allowed to film in the NRA Firearms and Museum without permission, and we don't have that. So, oh well. Maybe next time we'll figure out how to ask for permission and do a whole separate thing on that. So, anyway, we're getting ready to go have lunch. Is what you guys have been waiting for. This is going to be awesome. And when we get there, we'll tell you all about it. All right, guys. We're at Red's Giant Hamburg. Berg, not burger.
No.
Hamburg. Now, why is it Hamburg?
So, when the original founder, because this is the second time it's open, the original founder had a vertical sign, and it was too tall to accommodate the electricity, because it opened up in World War II time period. So
2 letters was too much.
And the fascinating thing about this establishment is that it is it is the United States' first drive-in.
Yep. How cool is that? So, you ready to go eat?
Yes,
I'm ready. I'm hungry and it's cold. Let's go.
Hi.
Hey guys. So, we just got done eating at Red's Giant Hamburg. Berg.
So I'm gonna talk about the atmosphere, because that was probably my favorite part. Not so much the food, but like, it is like you walked into a 40s diner. There is Dino playing, there's TV showing Dino, everything is retro. It's really cool. Chandeliers, floor, booths, everything's retro. So it's really cool.
Now, you gotta take something back, because you liked the food. The food was good.
I liked the burger.
Yes. The burgers were pretty Steak and Shake-esque. I mean, I think they were made the same. I mean, they were a little better quality than what Steak and Shake is.
I agree.
So they were good. I had a double cheeseburger. She had a single. They were hand-cut fries, and that's what she doesn't like.
I don't like that. It was... onion rings looked way better on someone else's plate, so that's what I would sub them out.
Yeah, when we go again, you'll probably get onion rings.
Not a fan of the milkshakes.
No.
Not a fan of them. And I was so excited for the milkshakes because there was pineapple. I'm a big pineapple person, and I was super excited and let down.
Yeah, I've never had
powdered.
something that tasted dry when it came to a
Chocolate.
milkshake.
You use chocolate, and you can't mess it up.
Use
I don't
chocolate
know.
syrup. I feel like they used some powder nastiness.
It wasn't like a malt or anything.
No, it was just it tasted weird.
That's what I would expect from a malt anyways, but
Right.
okay. So
Wonders of Wildlife?
10 out of 10. I recommend. You gotta go. Take kids there. Go as adults. It's great. So it's a museum and an aquarium, which is really cool. I don't know which one I liked better, to tell you the truth. The museum was fantastic. At one point, you're walking through Africa, and I felt like I was there. I felt like the animals were around me. It's just amazing. And then the aquarium's like a zoo too.
I thought they put a lot more detail into the aquarium than they did anything else. Like, even in the underwater area, holy cow. Like, you literally felt like you were in a sunken ship. There were like little things all over the pipes and stuff, like aging, like
detailed.
Yeah, very, very detailed. We got to one thing we did not show is you are able to pet stingrays.
Oh yeah, we talked about it though.
We did.
That was scary for me. Every time he came like this much close to me, I was like, ah, and blew my hand out. But then, I touched one.
Yeah, and then another cool thing is you can get onto the next to it. You can trace around your own little fish or sea creature.
You're coloring your own fish.
Yeah,
basically.
yeah, you're coloring your own fish. And if you look on the screen now, you get to see our BA Adventure shark.
And mine.
It's a new species. And then, of course, Ashley had her own turtle, but I drew the shark. Okay. I stayed inside the lines. Did very, very well.
So proud of you.
I know.
Your mom would be extremely proud.
I'm sure she is. She's looking at that and go, that's my boy. So, anyway, and then there was the NASCAR Museum, itty bitty thing, very small, not very big, lots of information in there. And then the history of the Bass Pro one, too.
Right.
Same thing, a little bit bigger.
It's a great...
But I highly recommend going to these places. Stings that we couldn't show you guys the NRA one, but that's okay. Leaves more to be discovered, right?
Yeah.
Yep. So, anyway, we're going to go do some shopping. Thank you for joining us on our adventure today. And,
bring on the next adventure.
That's right. Bye, guys.